extreme weather over here, we're looking at the area, the recent events of the tropical storm that will be weakening and it will head towards like around the northeast. It's gonna be a lot of rain over there. It's just gonna be so bad flooding. It's like sometimes, yeah, so much rain over the hill. It's gonna be a lot over time. Gonna be a lot of flooding next weekend or around Thursday. We need to keep an eye on it. How much flooding will be it is. And so much flooding is so still gonna be more problem for the future days because around the area it will be already been like a lot of flood watch already released by it. It's gonna be very bad. These are the most things about flooding. We need to keep an eye on the flooding. That's a main problem about the tropical storms. And then there's other things like temperature. That's one thing. That when it's rise up and falling. We just don't know. Maybe around areas like around 60s, it's just so cooler with the atmosphere. It's just gonna be very chilly some people days. It's just gonna be maybe cooling down. Maybe the future will be. We need to keep an eye on it. For it comes. For the future. Maybe. Will be maybe a little bit high cape. Who knows what's going on with over the hills. We need to keep an eye on it for it in the future about the tropical storms and flooding. That's what's more important about tropical storms. About maybe eventually I will keep on if there's any other things also. Because there's a tropical storm Ida. Kia, and there's another. It's like 90% chance for forming. I will keep eye on both of them for the updates. I think that nearby the Africa we really need to keep eye the most of as today. Still so quietly. Eventually will be just the problem is to go be flooding as today. We need to keep a lookout how much flooding is going on over time. I will keep on much better details on the models predicting with the flooding. Who knows what's going on with the temperature? The rest of the states will be gonna be a huge increase in the flooding. There's the massive flooding path. We need to keep a lookout for that. Just like the 3 hours and still gonna be bad. And also the west still gonna be dry with this low pressure forming, and the low pressure is Isaiah away bigger and it's just going to get stronger. And then be headed towards us. Still does not, because the dry is just how dark it is. The moistening areas like that, just we need to keep on. There's a chance for thunderstorms and other things also. We need to keep a lookout. Who knows what's going on with it? Yep. Mm-hmm. You should buy a lookout for the wind chill in this day. Mm-hmm. Let's keep a look for looking for out draft and other things into looking also out there. Who knows what's going on with the temperature? Still out there, it's just going bad. I will give you updates about it. This is extreme weather out here.